Welcome to Inside Out Talk Podcast. The views and opinions expressed in this podcast are those of the hosts and guests and do not necessarily reflect the views or opinions of our sponsors, partners, or affiliates. The information discussed in this podcast is for general information purposes only and should not be considered as professional advice. Listeners should consult with a qualified professional before making any decisions based on the information discussed. We do not own the rights to any music or audio clips played during the podcast, and all rights belong to their respective owners. By listening to this podcast, you agree to hold harmless the hosts, guests, and producers from any claims, demands, or damages arising from the use of this podcast.
Okay, Nadia. Sure, bafethu Nkosi Lona, God's favorite son, and I'm not alone, Prince Nkosana, the son of a king. Welcome to the IoT news, the news you never knew because they obviously knew. So bafethu,
like your slogan. Whatever it is, man.
Sure, bafethu. So, yini-ke namhlanje bamba ama-headlines la ku-IoT news. Okay, bafethu, bathi start of 2025 school year leaves some parents frustrated, ne? The 2025 school year officially started on Wednesday, 15 January 2025.
Which is today.
Yeah. But sadly, some parents and their children are in limbo as they struggle to get placements in most provinces.
Placements.
Yeah, as in, abatholi space.
Oh, yeah.
Ispace asikho.
Space asikho. Sibaningi eMzansi.
But now, shuthi-ke, you see, amanye ama-factors la wenza abantwana abafeyile esikoleni because now, obviously, this thing is going to lead to ukuthi etasiniliyoni kube nabantwana abayi-50.
Exactly.
Yofunda kanjani etasini 50?
Siyalwa ngapha.
Kuyaraswa. The teachers won't be able to control.
Kuba nalo one ofuna ukuphatha class lonke. Yazi nje esikoleni into njani. Ukuvukuvu, sinibiza ngokuvukuvu.
Guf.
Ufuna usiphatha sonke.
Ubani ukuvukuvu?
Ilo ufuna ube weak asi. Ukuvukuvu. If bengazi guys, yabona waseclassini, ne? If you're going to listen to this episode, ne? And then you are still at school, ne? And then you find yourself in a situation whereby there's a guy in your class, ne? You always want to be at the top. Always. All the time you want to be at the top.
As passless.
Yeah.
And as pass.
Is it dumb?
That's how we
say
remember.
that, but it's dumb.
By the time you go to the emptiest tin makes the most noise.
Exactly.
But yeah,
you know, I had this is one of my favorite teacher when I was still like doing grade 9, ne? I'm not a school guys, you understand? I'm done with school. Okay, I'm still schooling there, but not secondary. I'm in college, you understand? Yeah, I'm still like, trying to, further my studies.
IoT is patali.
That is going to.
Yeah, but man, it's a very sad situation ukuthola abantwana babantu angakhona ukuthola isikole because education is a basic need. And we all have very rights which is found. I hope
that's true. That's probably. Yeah? But we have many. You know where the problem is, ne? The problem is obvious. The schools abantu abakhuluma ngazo kakhulu or njengasekhasi, ne?
Sure.
Kunesikolo kuthiwa this one is to me. So wonke umntwana naye kufunda khona. Obvious, you won't get this business there. Andifuni kuyakuleyisa ngabe uphimpa ngabe uyashayana ho ustrict, you understand?
Oh yeah, it's
into enjalo ba.
Yazi phema khona. So singakhethi ikolo hamba ivula amehlo primary school high school.
Uniform enjani nani hamba esikolweni hawo. Zinkinga.
Guys, this is not me saying this, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, but I'm gonna say it again. This is not me saying.
But you're the one who's talking.
No, but the thing is, I'm gonna say something, ne?
Yeah.
That's poor me studio. Okay, there's a post I saw one day, yeah. Well, that's why I need to minutes. Not me saying this, yeah, because I was on the show so.
Oh,
so I'm quoting.
Yeah, you quoted from Facebook.
Yeah, as I quote. What do you mean, Angeke was English.
Yeah.
Ufunda esikoleni esiqoqishethe ngishiye.
Yellow.
Yeah.
Usheri mafia.
Yeah, wena. I'm sure yo. That's how to khulelele. No,
other people they don't know. Usheri.
Yellow. It's yellow.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's yellow.
Yellow for Kaiser Chiefs.
No, but you understand, some schools, bro, like, colors have meaning.
Okay, yini uyelo mele?
I don't have the full definition of colors, but I know yellow has a meaning also. You understand?
Okay. Moving on.
Hey, guys, we need a fact check. I'm saying this again. I need a fact check.
Okay, moving on. It's all about Kanye Mbau, manje. Kanye Mbau overjoyed as daughter passes matric with 80%, ne? And okay, she's baningi abantu abacomplete matric wabo, but for me, here's the interesting part in all this.
Yeah.
She's going, umntana Kanye Mbau, ne? She's going to travel the world for 13 months. Kanye Mbau shares plans for what day. Coming up with Cannes or Cairns. Like that. Yeah, Cairns. So now they'll travel in for 13 months. That's a whole year and 1 month.
Because of pass matric.
Because pass matric.
Hey, damn, that's dope.
The whole year. Uzaba travel.
Yeah, one year.
Where are you going? You keep it in Saturday.
That's a break. You travel. Skolo zakho ukuthi travel.
Mina kathi ngicela matric mama ngihlabele inkukhu.
When?
Yeah.
Hey, hard luck, bro.
Manje bekumna ihlaba nje inkukhu. Sayithi umsebenzi angisho vele like ikhaya le. Bekuyimi vele umuntu yabo. Okay, I was the second one complete matric. So abayijwayelanga nishandisi. Bayenza umsebenzi babonga amadlozi. Yeah, but yeah.
Ingona unebakusabela mafana.
What happened?
My mom gave me 1,000 rand and I thought Forex and I blow in 2 seconds. And then ngibuza ukuthi 1,000 lakho niyenzeni? Faka Forex. Ngathi ngithenge impahla. What is it? Ngathi ngizibekile ngifuna ukuzigqoka ngama-weekend. Come weekends, I'm still wearing the same clothes that she knows. Yeah? Mind you, I went to my dad asking for another K. And also my dad gave me a K.
I found Forex.
I found Forex. We were using this broker. I don't want to name the broker, but there was this broker here in South Africa that was trending. You know, it's a JP Tonto. They know it. The guys that are going to listen to this podcast, they know it. It's a JP Tonto.
Okay, but I have one question for you, Forex.
Yeah.
Why abantu aba Forex basano send them a message? I'm not sure imali uyiwani.
No, those are scammers.
Uh-huh.
Real Forex guys, they won't text you. Those people are moneyed. Why should I text you? Real guys, they don't come to you, you go to them.
Yeah.
Yeah, real guys.
So my guy, I don't know. We need a fact check, Asla. Because okay. But South Africa Tribunal hears JP Mpenenge sent a picture of his private parts.
Hey, these JP people, I'm scared of them. They got my money.
From World War I to present day, Cosmopolitan South Africa and beyond, the Sunday Times has been a pillar in covering the stories that matter to you. Okay, I've got this one from the Sunday Times.
Yeah.
But now this guy, we judge.
Yeah.
We judge. I don't know, is it a judge or but the court, I should call him a judge, call him a lawyer, so I to judge. So my utume this tombe say look, say, yeah. How else to me, yabo?
Utumani ping, yeah.
Hey, ping. And he seems old, man.
Like they want
I think something happened. Yakhumbula nabo MT. When's any mistake?
Oh.
So probably can't be mistake. And I'm tired.
Ushukelani ping no ba.
I said ping ufuna ukuyitshengisa blink linya.
Wabatana lawo.
A whole judge bit.
Bro, like what's going on?
So many bling.
Like South Africa is a movie now.
So, okay, guys, if you have any information regarding this, because I only have a sniper, if I may put it, but
Yeah.
if you know what happened, and if you know please comment and let us know. I need to do my research, Yasmin.
Let me ask you one question, bro. What would you do if, like, you're the one who is like facing that situation?
Yeah, bling.
You bling.
And you should bling me.
Hey, buddy.
Why would you want to take a picture of you bling? I mean, no, like obvious is money. engabe nomuntu ufuna usendele bling bling ufuna ukubona bling bling
Akeze.
akeze or ife kanjani book ihotela book guest house book something don't send the bling bling.
No, like isibili sokuthi vele uthatha ifoni yakho umvidi ushuthi ping ping.
Yamkhumbula yazi ngizovusa amancane yamkhumbula umele ukick
Ah.
up. Ayazi no guys moving on.
Yeah.
I'm closing it off my guy. Guess what? Guess what?
What?
American rapper Rick Ross has landed in Cape Town, the mother city.
Hey, Baba.
Tabanga ndoda.
Hey, Baba.
And he landed on Monday.
He's here. I saw a video he posted on Instagram. Yeah, he was giving shout out to some of the rappers, and then he started with Nasty C.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, here, the picture that I have here, he was with the Big Brother Mzansi season 4 contestant, Yolanda.
Yolanda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know Yolanda?
Yeah, I know it.
Yeah, man. Oh, the boss is here.
Oh.
But yeah, man, I wish I can see Rick Ross.
I feel like these guys like from America, they like South Africa, man. South Africa is a vibe, bro.
Right.
It's a country, man. It's not like it's a world. We're living in our own space.
Yeah, true.
South Africa. Like, I was watching this one video from YouTube, ne? So this guy is interviewing like American people, like well. He's asking them what out of all the countries in the world, which country would you visit? You know what? 99.9% the people he interviewed that day, they all said, I want to go to South Africa.
Yeah.
You know the reason?
Yeah.
You want to dance to a piano.
I wish I can
Imagine.
I wish I can see you.
Bro,
I want to make a song
but
with you.
I feel like when you're in a certain country, ne, you want to move to another country. And then the people from that country, they want to move to your country.
Yeah.
It's vice versa.
True. And majority of the people that have traveled,
Yeah.
people from South Africa and they've traveled to other countries, they always come back with one statement. South Africa is blessed.
Son, South Africa is the best, bro. People like they go to Dubai. There's this one guy now, he's a big guy. He said like he started to stay in Dubai because that guy's money. You understand? And then he came back South Africa. I don't know the reason why he came back. And he said Dubai is boring, bro.
Dubai.
Yeah. It says like it has a lot of restrictions.
Oh,
You understand? So
yeah.
South Africa is free. You can do your own thing.
My guy.
So you see the difference? Freedom, bro.
My guy.
Freedom, bro.
Rick Ross is here. Yes. And this is okay. Rick Ross, if you're gonna listen to this by any chance, I wanna make a song with you and hear the lines. Rick Ross, please come over so we can go to the studio and the Leroy boss because you're the boss. Yeah, but yeah, man, we were closing it off with Rick Ross Ulana in South Africa. Hope he enjoys. Hope he gets the best treatment ever.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, yeah. Thank you, Rick Ross.
We welcome you in SA.
Yeah, we welcome you in SA.
IoT welcomes you in SA. It's not like
Rick Ross.
we won't have a chance like to see you, but we salute you, man.
Yeah, guys, this was the IoT news, the news you never knew because they obviously knew.
Exactly.
How's
How's that, my God? You know, since we've been speaking and saying everything that we want, man, but I didn't ask you, how are you?
How am I?
How are you, my nigga?
Man, I'm still figuring things out. I'm
No,
not fine.
you're not fine.
I'm not
Yeah, that's the answer that I wanted. And I won't ask you why you're not fine.
But I'm not fine.
Yeah,
Yeah. How are you?
man, I'm trying.
You try.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Are you fine?
I am fine. Yeah, I am fine. But I'm fine and I'm trying.
You know, I feel like, and this, I'm taking this to the gents. Yeah, specifically. Us, we have this tendency of bottling things up. I feel like we need to make it a tendency where we, as many gents, but
Who are we going to be? Who are we going to open up to?
siyakhona ukuhlala sikhulume ngamantombazana simajita siphuza. Sikhulume ngamantombazana. Oh, but let's have a session
You
where
know
we
where the
open up.
difference is, ne? Difference is when we talk about girls, it's different because even if like you go and then you say something bad about what I said about girls, it won't hit me.
But are you telling me, Guti?
And you have to know when a guy is not fine, it's not a matter of a chick.
Yeah, that's
It's a matter of life.
yeah,
That means there's something deep more than chick.
that's why I'm saying, let's talk. Prince, are you telling me, Guti, in every guy that is here in South Africa, I want this one is my ride or die. Man, let's talk, mfethu. Thina makike we just I want to find rather yabona asikhulumeni because this thing of putting things up ila nasidele sokuthola khona unentambo wengile or uzibulala. So let's talk, gents. And I mean, I hate this statement with all my life. They ukuthi men don't cry.
Me, I cry.
I ngizwisisile men don't cry.
Me, I cry a lot, bro. Me, when I feel like, sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night and I will just like face up and I will cry. Probably like for 10 minutes or 20 minutes, I'll be crying.
Cry.
But I won't make any sounds, but you could feel like, what do we call it?
Tears.
You will feel my tears.
Yeah, man, let's guys ngiyacela, gents, when asikhulumeni. And I know I want to find out gents are going through a lot. I don't want to lie to you.
Not only gents, but even the girls.
For me, girls, I'm a girls. I'm going man. When was the last time you heard ukuthi intombazane isibulele?
You know the problem with us guys. Girls, they have people who are they trust.
Nazi. Oh, not so much the way people we trust.
But you us as gents, it's hard for us to be open to.
What is hard? What is hard?
I don't know.
Let's talk, gents. Let's talk. Asikhulumeni.
I feel like if I'm going to tell you this thing that is eating me inside, me, and then you're gonna create a joke out of it. Now I'm gonna be like a laughing stock, whatever it is.
Make you stuck.
Beef stock, laughing stock, whatever it is, but I'm gonna be a store.
My star boy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't wanna be a store.
No, but the Prince, no, Prince for me. As Prince, as much as you get, I want to know when
Yeah.
that's how look like, but khona into engize ngidlale ngazo kuwe. I mean, obvious, mazofika kimi umuntu ukuthi it is like ibuhlungu.
Yeah.
My girlfriend cheated on me. About those things.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm first gonna advise you and I'm first
No,
gonna, but ngizokufika.
Yeah.
But khona izinto ozofika kimi.
even like for me, when you wanna come and tell me, hey bro, my girlfriend cheated on me, I'm gonna laugh and I'm gonna make it a joke. You know me.
But
You understand?
there are certain things engizibona ukuthi these ones are very crucial in. Yabo, angeke ngize ngisihlele.
Yeah.
So guys, that's why I need to as isijwayezeni ukukhuluma. This thing is
Let's talk.
I know this thing.
Let's talk. I feel like us as gents, we need to.
Yabona manje ukuthola ukukhuluma why?
Man, how? Ubuthoma ubenza ukuthi ngingakhulumi.
No man, fine. On a serious note, let's talk guys. Let's khuluma. Guys,
No, phela yazi mina ngithini.
engabe kanjani ukhuluma ke nentombi yakho mama or your mother if you don't have your mother.
Yeah.
This khuluma nesihlobo umalume angeke akuhleke.
Inkinga phela le umama wakho uzokhuluma naye but nezinye izinto engeke ukhulume. Ngeke umtshela yimi. Nezinto ozosaba utshela mama wakho as much as ni close or kunjani. Us as amajita kunzima.
But find someone to
And kunzima even also like to talk nabo baba bethu. And to tell you the honest truth, ne, most of us guys, we don't have a relationship with our fathers. You understand? And it was gonna be easy if there's no relationship now with Baba Bethu because bakuvela inkinga uyazi uthi yazi uzohamba ngiyakhuluma noba. But now we don't have a relationship now with Baba Bethu, so it becomes hard. And nezinye izinto angeke utshele mama wakho ukuthi ipinping yami nayo ivuvukile. Bengilele into zibanibani yabona yenze example.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
But it was gonna be easy to tell time yakho because umthida mfethu udlule khona la probably.
As we're talking about fathers, you and I have the same how would I put it? We have the same history, right?
Yeah.
When it comes to Lentone. How did it affect you? Sorry, how did it affect you as a boy man or as a man now? You not having your father in your life.
Bro, like a life without a father figure,
Yeah.
it's hard. It's not a life. You understand?
Huh.
It's a life, but it's hard.
Huh.
As a man, not as a man, as a boy, when you are still growing up and then you don't have a father, your life, it doesn't have a direction.
Hmm.
Because fathers, their job is to give us direction. Fathers need to give directions to their sons so that their sons can become fathers also. Best fathers. You understand? Ubona mfethu ne? Ngizokwenzela example. There's a difference between umjito okhulise umama nobaba nomjito okhulise umama. And there's a huge difference. You understand? I mean, like, being raised in a family peled way, unomama and baba. I feel like, not just umama and baba. You understand? I mean, like, umama, a real mother and a real father. You understand? Because bakhona bakhulele ngaphasi komama nobaba, but truth, I'm a parent wabo. They didn't have like parenting skills, you understand?
Yeah.
But bakhulele ngaphasi kwendlu ekhaya elinomama nobaba abayaziyo impilo. You understand? Abaziyo ukuthi bafunani empilweni actually. Because I feel like having parents abangazi bafunani empilweni yiyo usilidela kuma singazwani nabazali bethu. Ngabantwana abangazani nabo mama babo manje. I was listening to this podcast. I'm busy with spirituality now. I don't know why. So I'm listening to this. I was listening to Radio 2000 actually.
Yeah.
So they are featuring Nkulu Manjoro. Yes, this lady she's saying, kunomuntu oloye umamakhe. Kunomuntu oloye umamakhe. Umamakhe umthakathile.
Unamangani?
Ukuthi angathola abantwana.
Why would she? Why?
I don't know why. I didn't get the answer. Cause ngisamamele lokho kwamele ukuthi like yabo phuma ofisini authorize le policy, you understand? So but ngishiye lapho then bangibuya azange sayiqhubeka because ngithe bangibuya ngathatha ifoni yami ofisini and I went downstairs, you understand, to help. So ngiyazibuza ukuthi if khona abazali abakhona ukuthatha abantwana babo it's impilo futhi inzima.
Not having a father is really difficult.
Nzima.
But my side, what I've noticed is I'm one of the victims. People tell me I'm a victim or what, yeah. But I'm one of the victims. My guy, do you know, and this is going to everyone out there who doesn't have a father.
Yeah.
For me, I always say this, ne? It's better to know Uti Obabako
For sure.
is 6 feet under
Yeah.
than having a dead alive father. Not even a father. I don't know what we can call him, but yeah. Oh,
No.
Maranawi.
Yeah, ukuba nobaba okhona osaphila ne but akayidlali irole yokuba ubaba. And painful. You know why it's painful? It's because lo muntu loyo probably la akhona unabantwana and uyayidlala irole kubo.
Okay, yeah. But no, I mean, specifically, yeah.
Labo abanye akayidlali.
Izombie. And
bacabanga yini inkinga?
It's I feel like indlela akhule ngayo naye. I feel like kwayena une-anger
ithamela
azanele umkhulisi.
Oh shit.
Yabona. And but now for me it's not an excuse. And again,
Not an excuse.
because
mina
ngama ngeke ngithi abantwana bami
Yeah.
angibakhulisi just because bamazanga ngikhulisi.
Exactly.
So this is going to everyone out there ongakhulisanga babakho ophilayo but he's not playing a role. Don't ever make the mistake. Because that's sometimes you being afraid, not even you being afraid, you judging your father, ne?
Yeah.
ukuthi yeah loku you must be very careful ukuthi awubi uye.
Yeah. I feel like when you judge your father more, uzinto lezi angazenzi uwe.
Automatically you're going to adapt to indlela yakhe.
Exactly. That is why bathi miyeke. Forget about him. Angithi akekho. Akenzi next. Forget about him.
So you know what I always say.
But
yes.
also it is hard because now useskila mnyalo. Unempintsha. After school izumliyana ubaba mjike yanilanda ngemoto. Noma bakukhohle ngoba bakhe izobuya lento thishi. Dayimani isaphila. Ngithwa izulu baye. Banye bobaba balanda abantwana ngemoto. Yini balekile. Akayingeni indaba yakho.
My guy, you see those are one of the reasons why we need counseling. We really need counseling because these things affect us, ne? And they affect us not noticing. I've been past it, but truth of the matter is you're not fine.
We are not fine. That is why now, ne, my advice is when you get a girlfriend, we both coming from different backgrounds, ne? We are my childhood trauma so too. Let's create a safe space for both of us. Because now, if you don't talk about that, understand? Noma ngabuya mfethe endlini enobaba nomama phakathi ubona wena according to you ubona ngathi ku right but lapha phakathi yabona ne one thing umama ngifundisa yona ngathi umuzi ungawuboni umuhle ngaphandle ingaza khona phakathi boy
awudithi awudinjudge
fazwa khona bamshaba mhenge la abasekaka bambishi yakutshela itebe. The way I'm
sorry, this is not laughing matter. This is not a laughing matter. GPV is a very serious problem. Now,
yeah.
But you see the factors that contribute to GPV.
Yeah.
There are many factors, my guy.
Many factors. And into you one ends up conquer the Gwenzel out time. Asiko right. Asiko aska heal. Sima patient. Wasesibhedlela. Sidinga usizo, sidinga ukulatshwa. And ayikulatshwa isidinga abalaphi bemvelo no. Sidinga abalaphi mentality. But our mental health is damaged. You understand? We need more therapists.
And
we need more.
I'm sorry to cut you off. There's something that I'm remembering and I'm afraid it's going to slip my mind.
Yeah.
There's a friend of mine. My friend, why is Kile?
Yeah.
Kimaya Kile, you know, sizothatha.
Obvious.
Why is Kolo grade 8? Yabo? And then this other day, ngihleli naye. Sekadlulile this guy. Yeah. Ngiyambuza ngithi, "Njayam, yini happened?"
Yeah.
Wathi my guy, my father was physically abusing my mom.
Eish.
In front of us. Bengibuya esikolweni.
Hey.
Ubaba shaya umama phambi kwami.
Hey.
The following day I had to go to school. And mangibona ibhodi, that thing would act bekuba ngathi movie.
And then the boy,
and then I was like, flip. Yabona,
that guy was going through a lot. But now, because I was in the beginning now, it was umjaji to hide the scholar grade 8. Whenever umbuka, nekhaya phuma kulo memubona ngathana nomfana mseyoba grade. Yeah.
Bekunjalo vele.
Yeah, you understand? But now wasufana la ipass. So umamela ukuthi nodwa wawini isikole. Ebakutela mfethu nawe uzombona ukuthi umjijane yamfethu bekabhekani neplane. Yabo, that is why mina into engisihlezi ngizwe ukuthi ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi just stop judging abantu. Singakangeni enkathulweni zabo. Asiyekeleni judge abantu. Yabona umuntu umjaje enkathulweni zakhe songenile. Wabona ukuthi ama lo yazenzisa lona. You understand? Like as for me, abantu engibajajayo. Ne? Ama-gents. Ama-gents anabantwana anguhle. Asebenzayo. Ayenzi sense. Because now uyasebenza unomntwana but still awumondla.
It goes back to lento lena wena Prince le besikhuluma ngayo le yokuthi be careful ukuthi ungafana lo muntu lona ongamfuni. I can tell you right now, if not all, but the majority of abafana bamodla azange bababodla na abo baba.
99.9%. You understand? Basasenelenda ukuthi hayi ngami ithanga zangamuntu nako kwangikhulisa nalabo abazokhula. And mina umbuzo wami uthi as umjida as ubaba engathi umjida as ubaba wengane awuthi yami, how do you feel? Ne?
Yeah.
Let's say now most of the gents lawa angondla abantwana bawo baneyintombi ezinabantwana nabo basondliwe ngoba uhlukene nalo mama lo nalo
Mntanakhe straight.
and still umntwana ne, and then now uthola intombi nentombi le inomntwana ngaphandle uthi uzomodla umntwana wakhe.
Yeah. Yabona ke leyo.
Igazi lakho ngalo
Leyo yona leyo
irubbish
rubbish.
into nje yabona awuthiyane bakungathiwa sine system ekhona ukubona ukuthi unathi unomntwana kamuntu angazi ubani ongayicreate bashaywe nje labo baba.
And you know what I've noticed, ne?
Yeah.
Yazi abo baba labo. I've had friends who are doing lento leyo.
Yeah.
Yazi umuntu uzokutshelana. Cha mina kuyafana. Noma ngangise court. Yazi court bafika bathini? Khipha lo ikhonayo. Khipha le 200 ni. Like what a effed up mentality. Why? Mfethu umntana wakho lona.
Yeah. Mentality yakhe isebenzi. Bathi yini? What disorder? I've forgotten the name, but disorder naye mental. Nintambo ezingahlangani nje. Ngiyakutshela. Understand? Uthola ukuthi intambo zonke ziyahlangana. But now ulimele umjida. Udinga usizo mental.
Whilst we had that, ne Prince. I'm gonna say this again. I don't know. I think I said it in episode. Okay, can't remember which episode, but I said it in one of the episodes.
Yeah.
So man, sponsors, please. You know why? It's maskuluma song abo baba ngawondla. I remember there was a time I was still going to this other college.
Yeah.
Lindy Pass. My guy, it was winter. Bengpoke amagawus namaboot. I think I was wearing two socks. So it's
Yeah.
but
Amaboot.
Boots. Ngokiki in a jacket. It was cool, baba. Numerous times
Basifika ngo7.
yeah. Mara yabona ukuthi ngigqoka kangakanani? Ngigqoka provide 2. Bedlula abantwana please lapha. Futhi yazi Thafisa banda kanjani? Noma ufaka kawusi. Bedlula umntwana ongayifaka kawusi uyibona Thafisa khona edabukile la sekuyingaphi. Esikole. And angikhuluma ngomntwana mhlambe mina usayisikole ukhuluma ngomntwana wa grade 1, ukhuluma ngomntwana wa grade 3. Abakhatsha nokukhatsha bahamba babodwa bambane ngezandla. I know angeke sulungise wonke umhlaba, but guys, if there are any sponsorships that are listening and you have a helping hand or you are capable, please asizameni ukunceda la sikhona ukunceda khona.
Simple.
Really bad mfethu.
Akubheda uthya.
Ngiyazi ukuthi angeke sikhone angawukhona ukusiza.
Umhlaba wayulungisa.
Where we last
But awukhona khona ya.
let's try. I'm still emphasizing this. Please
Try.
it's really
Let's make sure ukuthi sibasha. La sikhona yenza kube grand mfethu la ukhona. That is why mina nale mentality ukuthi you understand. Ukwenze ukupast kwenzekile, ne? I'm gonna tell you a story mina. Time lami la ngiphika na 3 months. Lathi mina usumntana. Bawo ngizala. You understand?
sure please.
Ngikhulile ngiyindoda manje. I know that truth. Because mama wangitshela ukuthi babakho wena wakuphika wathi 1 2 3. And mama wangitshela lokhu ithama lami basekubuya. Because when I was doing grade 6 now, the guy came back claiming ukuthi mina ngumntana wakhe. Mama wangitshela ukuthi babakho wakuphika 1 2 3. But angeke ngikuvime ukuthi ungayi because ubaba. Ngomvakashela nje. Basho ukuthi why wamphika. You understand? But the excuse yangitshela yona kimi lame excuse, you understand? Because angivuma waqhubeka uphanda.
Yeah.
You understand?
At least
Unlike
ukuthi azangabe
uphike
yeah.
bese uyophanda.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukubuya ngoba so-grand. What if awubi grand?
Should vele so pixie.
Futhi phela uyomphika uzufi if awubi grand.
We share the very same story, and that's what happened to me. But now you know what I hate, ne?
Yeah.
I hate ukuthi, and I'm sure this goes to some of the listeners out there.
Yeah.
wayenza umjida wangiphika fine, but now when it comes to me sekungathi yimuntu wrong. I don't know if you can emndenini
Yeah, emndenini
sekungathi
now
wrong
wangithanda
uhloniphi.
exactly angitsho sesenalo usalimele.
And it's fine
Yeah.
ukuthi ulimale futhi,
It's fine. Vele sibantu sizolimala.
and sinendlela eningi zokuhila, and then ukuhila kwami ukufaka impama emntwini nezandla, but yazala, but now what I'm trying to say is what I'm
ukhuluma.
yeah, but what I'm trying to say is don't put the blame Giti as if I wasn't gonna be the way that I am if it wasn't for Mujit. He played a role in me being the way that I am.
Kwakhe.
Yabo.
Mm.
Yena ukuthi angakho angenza ukuthi ngamfuni. Angisamfuni ke. Ndenze ngibhema mina futhi. So yeah, it's hey guys. So we need therapy. That's what I'm saying. We need therapy. We need therapy. The most of us. Because for me, that's why I'm thanking God. Abanye Brian, who went the very same situation that we went through. But bemnyawo. Babulila bafazi babo. Yabona yonke lento leyo. But mina nawe, we were able to take the pain and turn it into motivation. Ngiyathola. So abanye mfethu babhema inyawo, baningi mfethu babhema inyawo, babhema ama-drugs. Abanye they came out fine, but they weren't fine mentally. So anything that triggered lento leyo ukuthi akana baba, shawumfazi. Mhlawumbe umfazi, phela you know how women are. Maybe they're having a little argument. Yeah, mina vele ngaba nobaba. It triggers you, and then you start doing.
But there's someone that I know, ne? She's a girl. This girl, bro, the way adelela ngakhona or the way amthemba ngakhona ubabakhe, and the way thamela khona bakangitshela ukuthi listen now, ne? When ulwana nentombazana uzothi yabona baba wami uzokushaya, and the time that uzokushaya. Yeah. And there was a time ekhaya. Yeah, when I was still growing up, ne? So they went to because okay, time I mina vele ngiphika umagogo wami wathole out.
Yeah.
Yabo? Out yangikhulisa.
Yeah.
Yabo? And then wadlala like a role uba ubaba kimi. You understand? So about even like now, ne? I still have this thing ukuthi ayikho indoda ezongishaya because mina baba makasangishaya.
Yeah.
And it's a mentality better because now at some point ngisukile abantu ngibe lento bazokushaya abantu.
Abantu abangena kuloko zakushaya.
Abantu abangeni bakazangishaya
Find you.
bazokunika induku abantu.
Zamkhulu.
You understand?
Yeah.
So ezinye izinto zabeda. That is why ngithi mina bona now present, ne? Present moment.
Showcase.
Bafuna ukuyiphila kamnandi.
Showcase.
Wa entuli lenzeke ngepast ukuthi mina ithama la belenza so mina ngenza so.
Showcase.
Umdedo lo ungakwenzi.
Showcase.
Umdedo.
Showcase.
Then one thing mama ntate izayisho uthi yabona abantu bakudala bebanama.
Yeah.
Ubona emhlabeni kunenhlupheko kunamnandi. It's because bebanganaqiniso.
Yeah, yeah.
Bekuneqiniso yonke into beyitransparent. Olonkingi ngabe.
No, yazi ngifila kanjani? Ngifila ngathi they were ngathini bekuba bathini taboo. Is it taboo or an abomination?
Yeah.
Yabona manje ne, the difference between now and then is manje bethi izinto ziyaphumela ubala. We-gay, you free to show up and be you and be gay. Back then, ufike wena ubuwaza amakho, back then look spark. So that's why ezinye izinto bebasaba, that's why bebanamanga, bebasaba lobo.
Yeah.
Being judged and being, because look at the slugs vele iki. Vole khulu bekuba inkinga. So that's why bebathamba manga. That's why bekuyimpilo yakho mina ngithamba manga. Ngiprek, ngina 18. Induku, and they just keep a decision. Or if I was keeping time as well, I'm sick, then my way back to Ntana Mama.
Yeah.
But when it comes to that, I feel like they're probably having a very serious problem with 8 teenage pregnancy. I read somewhere I'm done on a 10.
And again, stop.
What do you think causes teenage pregnancy?
Man. Because if you can check, ne, labantwana laba abancane abaphegayo uthola umntwana ona-14 ulala nomjito ona-25.
And that's statutory rape.
That is why now in South Africa seyinomthetho ukuthi walala nomntwana ngaphasi kwa-18 umntwana nomshiyayo ngomnyaka uyaboshwa. Understand? Because nabo bayabona ukuthi yazini majority labantwana abaphegayo abaprekiswa intanga zabo.
Yeah.
Baprekiswa namasimba amakhehla lawa angazithi afunani empilweni. Indoda eshadini yoprekisa umntwana ona-20. As we are speaking right now, there's a guy on a 40 years old. Ulala nomntwana ona-20.
Yena labantwana bas awusabi yini? Like uthi phela if
And there's a statement engeke ngayizwa ukuthi ungablame abafana abancane uthi abanambali because wena ulala nentanga yakababakho because ubabakho ukufeyili. Sometimes ngisho ithema lakhona limfeyilanga selikhathele ukukhuza lenzani. Yeah. Because now as a father mfethu ain't business ukukhuza intweni eyi-1 ngayi for 100 years.
uNkulunkulu uyabuya straight. Like where do you get the audacity and where do you get the nerve and ukuthi ukhulumule nomuntu olingana nobabakho?
They do. And githi ama-gents, ne? Okay, akhona ama-gents like they prefer sugar mama and stuff nandan, ne?
Yeah.
But if you can check, lelo sugar mama leli, maybe limshiya nga 5 years, 10 years, not 20 years. Yabona, mina one thing nengizoyisho awuthami ne, mina ngingilala intanga yamama mi. Cause shuthi bangizolala intanga yamama shuthi ngingalala nomama. And they rubbish.
Total bull.
You understand?
And shit. That's impede.
So it's easy to man, apply your common sense.
But now,
Forget about emotions and
as a person, I like to believe, ne?
yeah.
I like to believe in everything that a person does. There's a past trauma. I don't believe.
Yeah.
I don't believe what he.
I believe in that, ne? And then now you see you have a problem. And it doesn't tell you, ne? Umuntu bakenza into wrong. Kuba nama-voices. Akhuzayo. Kuba khona ethi hayi. Manama lana le time man. You understand? Kuba khona lethi hey. What I'm trying to say is, as a person, sinengqondo eyi-1, ne? But we have a subconscious mind and a conscious mind. And subconscious mind, ayikwazi ukuthi bo. Iyavuma kuphela. Yes.
You accept.
You accept kuphela. And the conscious mind, iyakwazi ukwala nokuvuma.
Yeah.
So, if now, when uzotshela i-conscious mind yakho if izothi now, melana le baba, subconscious ayikwazi ukuthi no. You accept. And once wavuma yona, boom, nobaba umntana.
Do you remember this one incident when there was a umntwana wesikolo and I don't know, yeah, I think bekayenza kuma grade 9.
Yeah.
Hlele emotweni phethe imali, khipha iphone. Yeah, umntwana umthengele iphone. Azi uba umdala kanjani. And that guy is even a pastor. Hlele umntwana.
These pastors, man. What can we say? They want the nyash.
Nyasho umntwana.
Yeah.
Nyasho umntwana.
They don't care.
Ah.
They don't care.
Salobuzo sasiwadla lapho. Oh.
You understand?
Hey my guy.
And it's, hey, mina kodwa ngabantu kunye ngibuye ngababhlame.
Ngeke uhlala ungablame umuntu lami intwana. Because as
Asazi ukuthi yini ekhoza lokho.
no,
There need to be a cause.
akuna cause.
Angeke umuntu
Phetha ngeke uthi umngaka.
mentally health. Umuntu alright ekhanda.
Maka isibhedlela samasanya ke ubulala abantwana.
Asikho right. See, you can't. Not see, you can't.
So we can't vele.
Umhlaba.
But he can't South
Because
Africa.
if you can check,
I see. Abana mali South Africa.
yeah,
South Africa is right.
asikho right.
It's not
So
okay. Le country liyanga
asikho right.
angazi siyenzeni sinyangazi singayizani but
Sima patient and sifuna ukhila abanye ama-patient while sima-patient.
my patient night yeah.
Ayisebenzi njalo. Because now lo muntu lo uyahila uyakhiya. Uphuka more. ulimala more. It's not you have
Yeah,
to after the day.
true. You know what's happening in South Africa. Don't South Africa because South Africa
Yeah.
hasn't in South Africa. Now South Africa, you know what's happening.
Yeah.
A mentally disturbed person. Ufuna ukunceda another mentally disturbed person.
And
Yes, I can just win in the
you know what happened then most of the time?
Mm.
If ugele uzosiza umjida ukuthi ahile. Yabaleka ukuzibala asehilile. Yofuna abahili.
Yeah.
You understand? And if umjida uzosiza ugele ukuthi ahile. Yabaleka intombi. Yofuna abahili.
That's why.
And lo muntu lo
Mm.
ohile lo muntu lo na akahile.
Mm-hmm.
Lo bakahamba baleka. Wenza. Limana kakhulu isilonda siyaqhubeka.
And talking about mentally disturbed people, if it's not not even ubaba, angazi kanye mbiza umphile because of the beka actor man. Usilo igama lakhe, but I can't remember the surname. Silo Mabato, we really need a fact check.
Yeah.
Uyarepha lo baba manje. And that's that I'm gonna show it to you. I'm gonna get the name on the next episode in China, and I'm gonna play it here. Go Mike Bamuzu because we don't have cameras.
Yeah.
But it is everything. But how is it?
No,
Udenkinga.
akasekho right. Akasekho right.
And the listeners probably know it's trending, man. It's trending. And the studio not him crazy, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Yeah, him crazy in Bonella. I say Motui.
Yeah.
How is it? When's the band lab? Hey, man, you married band lab. But
Ulimele akekho right.
Slimele can't.
Slimele sikhathi.
And you know where I saw what is Slimele Gamambela can't.
Yeah.
There's no way we're gonna entertain someone but find a Skomota. Skomota, you can clearly see what is Skomota is not okay.
Yes.
No, it's the truth. I'm gonna whether they judge me or what, but it's the truth. We all can see what is Skomota is not okay. And ihlanya lichaza linye ihlanya. Manje mandini ngokuhlanya ihlanya.
And they are girls.
Uskomota,
Ukhetha sikhoma uphatha ukugela bashisa.
ime bamtabuza. Yabona? Medula opera.
Slimele sikhathi.
Madoda.
Slimele.
Sistakiwe egroup. Siyenza njengoskomota. Siya pasa siyalena lengekho. Asikho right.
Yazi South Africa that's serious. Mana ngabe sikhuza abantu ngayo. Siyenza itrend kube something eso drive ngayo.
Yeah.
Like let them just come out. You could see umjida usigama sana uthi angikho right. Abantu bayenza na. And abantu abasekho right.
Asikho right nigga.
No, asikho right.
That's why ngithanda ukuthi mina.
Came this pastor, who's this pastor? Enigma. Take.
uJesu athi angazi mawenze manje yazi yabona
That guy is trending. Asikho right ikanto. Slimele. Unabantu abazo that guy osukela nje umfundisi wabantu ahleli lakhe amthathe ambeke phambi kwamakhamera. Hayi
asikho right.
Umfundisi akhulume hey.
Asikho right.
Asikho
right. Guys, angazi ngathi singayenzani. Mina ngashisa nje Los Angeles ngiyazala imfethu yazi something khona into Los Angeles. This is way ishile. Did you hear about that?
What the video le? Umlilo ngathi khona into ephuputhayo. Do you remember this movie Siyama Dragon Dog? It was like that.
Prince Philip video yama Dragon. Umlilo kuphuma. Ngoba abantu this.
Umlilo kuvela.
They searching ukuthi umlilo kuya.
No, on that video ubuya phezulu.
Do you have the video?
I don't have the video. I saw it on social media.
Do you remember the person who posted the video?
We can search it and we can find it. Problem is we don't have cameras.
No, I was searching on my data. I'm gonna see it.
Yeah. After we done with the episode, I'm gonna show it to you.
Uvela kanjani umlilo phezulu?
Umlilo uvela phezulu ndangoliyo ezindlini zabantu. Abantu bayakhala. I'll show you the video.
Hell.
It's there.
It's hell in heaven. Hell in earth.
Hell and air. You guys are playing with a boom. Because we are not doing right. Slimele and asifuna ukuzilapha thina sifuna abanye abantu basila. Yeah. That is why
Senze balimele na.
abantu balimele abantu bafika. Abantu balimele abantu bafika.
I saw it and I saw a footage. Yo man, it's bad.
It's bad.
It's bad. It's bad.
Super bad, bro. Like yabona There's nothing more painful likely.
I'm not one to judge and I'm not God, but there's a quote that I love. I love this quote with all my heart. It's if push comes to shove, God will show you who God is.
Yeah.
I wanna go again. God will show you who God is.
There was a time, I don't know, but it was an American rapper. He was talking nonsense about God. And then Huawei stage.
What's up, man?
Wow.
God will show you who God is. And I'm gonna give you another incident. Yakhumbula eDubai. Bathi bona bazenzela imvula ya. Sebamvile
Maflatho yenza.
ha uNkulunkulu ade wangifuna izulu. Ha fanele ngizonimika ba.
Maflatho yenza.
Ha. And khona le enye futhi I don't know, I think Brazil, man. Brazil. Ha, sethi fact check Brazil. That's Brazil benza.
No, you're not sure about Utingo.
That's Brazil.
Brazil. Yeah, sure about.
Brazil. Okay, guys, I need to yeah. Okay, that's Brazil. I'm not sure, but there's a country.
Yeah.
Ne?
What happened in that country?
They made an event ukuthi uNkulunkulu haye
Umsabi. Yeah. Oh, I know that video.
Because you Satan.
Yeah.
Ha. Bring my flag in that coin.
Yeah.
So, guys, and that's why I always say, singahlanya, ne? Yabona when it comes to abantu abafana enigma and stuff. Asihlanye kahle, guys. Mara phele ukuhlanya kwethu sibuye sizibuye siyahlanya mara up until khona izinto angamelanga usihlanyele.
Yazi mina ufila ngathi sithina sabantu sasaba ukusebenzisa common sense. Sebenzisa ama-emotions lana kungamelanga sosebenzisa khona. Because if you can check lezi zinto ey'bheke eceleni, most other bantu bangayuzi common sense, besebenzisa ama-emotions. Like umjida mfethu uzobulala umfazi. Ingqondo ayikho lapho, to be honest.
Emotions.
Those are all emotions. Na-ema. You understand?
Ukuthi wena ngamthengela i-dress 1933.
I-dress nantani. Ukuthi wena wamphulabula nge-200K. Nawe uyambulala.
Abasafuni. Or uyamcheat.
Khona bokhona mfethu bakhipha bo $500,000 or $1 million. We don't know. But what we know is, who's that guy? Who's this girl?
Many.
The Dlamini.
You see?
Me $500,000. They say that. Bahlukana. Wambulala. Ukhona. Okay. Sangambulala. You understand? Because you understand why it's common sense. But emotions. We ask ukuthi ukuwa kwendoda. Yeah. Bayivuka 10 times.
Ujwayele ebholweni makadayiva.
Yes. Tell him of that.
Yeah, but yeah.
I respect that guy for not taking a decision. He paid that. I want to know. No.
And this is about right.
But I keep him money. I will understand.
And if I
respect that guy.
I know father's an wow.
We need to give that guy.
I'm talking about geek. That's the person who advertise the
What's it?
We are poor advertise the yeah, but yeah, guys, yeah.
So
yeah.
Smash what it in what you tell a dog is on the Buddha. I Buddha this man.
Bomb shoot upon
me. Did you want it? My example is whether we has him. That's beginning in my situation or so. In this one.
But talking about killing, yeah.
Now to hate.
You know what I've noticed, Nick?
Yeah.
And this is a problem that's persisting. And it's not spoken about. Why is it okay? Killing is not about GPV right. But why is it Wuzi? It seems as if the society, Makshara in Tumbazana, it's all I know, Baba. Mara empty ten. Yeah.
Let me tell you something, ne?
It gets to a point where police station back there.
Unamachita submenzela lapha.
Yabona leyo nayo.
Unamachita shaba fast. There's a video. I think I showed you that video. Ukele ushaya umjita phakathi kunabo baba bahleli. Ukele ushaya lo mjita. Labo baba benza next. Ne? And then bayiphoza leyo video leyo badlala ivideo umjita shaya ugele kunabo baba. Labo baba basinhlalo ukuthi why then ugele bashaya umjita bangaba stop.
the society
Slimele.
and
Sithatha into right siyenza ijoke. Ebhedayo. Sithatha into ebhedayo mina siyenza ijoke. You understand?
satha konke manje amajoke mana yithi.
Yonke into.
Udawo ujoke.
South Africa yonke into ijoke. There's a Facebook page, South African what le ama comment.
Yeah.
If you check those videos,
Yeah.
one of the comment sense ayikho la. Ayikho a common sense. Yeah. Don't you always say ETLP. Yabo le kubayo. Ukubutisi. Ne? Because yabo mos ETLP boy miss. Ukhipha lezi insimbi zebalance.
Sure.
Umthida mina akayikhipanga le ETLP.
What bekuyenzakalani? Yathi kuthum.
Yathi kodwa ETLP. Yayibona manje ukuthi sometimes lokutshela ukuthi uyazi and awazi ukuthi labantu labona bathela ukuthi bona bayazi and wena wazi.
Yeah, man. This is IoT. Man, I would ask you something, yeah?
Yeah.
Us going to the closing times, yeah?
Yeah.
Where do you see us? What's your vision for IoT?
IoT. I don't want to say in the next 5 years. In the next coming months,
Okay, yeah.
you want to see us on YouTube.
Yeah.
You will see IoT reality show.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Bro, we want to do a live recording,
Yeah. Yeah.
not in just any other place.
Yeah.
IoT dream is to do a live recording in the biggest stadium in South Africa. Live recording. We'll be sitting there having special guests,
Performances,
performance, and music.
music, games, questions,
You know,
comedy.
everything. With this channel, bro, we're trying to bring people together.
Yeah.
We're trying to be one.
Let's get together and
Be alright.
yeah, man.
One life.
Yeah.
One life.
Let's get
Together and be alright. Yeah, and I don't know if we can understand that song. Impilo nje. Iwani impilo. Ila iwani.
yeah.
And awuphila iwani.
Ah, I went in Gosana one by one. Two for so.
Hayi. Impilo niphila iwani and awuphila iwani.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, guys, that was Nkosana, the son of Akim, uTuphila kayi-1, how you won, 1.1, umofuna na ungayithola kushahle nithi quality obvious. So, yeah, man, guys, this was IoT. I'm still gonna stress this again. On our last episode, we said we're introducing a new initiative. It's called, what is it called? Man.
It's where like we allow people to
Talk it out.
talk it out.
Talk it out.
Talk it out.
Guys, I'm in Farama voice notes. I don't know why. Please send your voice notes through. Send your voice note through to the WhatsApp to the WhatsApp number ne IoT. Do you have the number so that I can say it out? Because maybe if Spatcher would buy I want to say ding effect check like
Yeah.
Mas much to buy to the Facebook page, it's a bit difficult because now I send them a voice note.
Yeah.
You need to say
Guys,
the number.
send your voice notes on 081 403 1322. Let me repeat. It's 081 403 1322. Send your voice notes. Sichukuzwa uvolweni na guys what's in IoT or what do you think?
And you can debate on the topics that we were talking about. You can ask for advices. We're gonna keep you anonymous. If you don't want us to keep you anonymous, there's an issue coming out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it from me.
That's it from Nkosinathi, guys. Amagama ethu guys isafana boNkosana noNkosinathi. So Nkosinathi, that's it from Nkosinathi. So but yeah. Nkosinathi there God's favorite son. So yeah. We are signing out, guys. You are listening to let me say Inside Top podcast.
Yeah.
The biggest coming podcast in the industry ever. It's going to be big.
They not read.
Yeah, we're about to shake the country.
Kutum.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.